Hello and welcome, this is Gary Garnett, and today I'm making a short video on a tool called formatit. It's an email formatting tool, and what it does is makes your sentences and paragraphs a little bit shorter so it's easier reading, especially if you're putting them into an autoresponder or whatever, and this is what I use. So I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. Just click on here, copy this sentence, copy, and I'm going to stick it in here, paste it. And it's enter your desired column width, which is 50 automatically. You can change it to whatever you want, but I'm going to click on submit. And what it does is it makes this paragraph a lot shorter and easier to read. And you can edit it a little bit. You can just make the sentences, space between the sentences or whatever you want to do. Now, if you want to go back and do it again, I'm going to change this to 60. Copy it in here, paste, click on submit, and there it just made it 60 characters instead of 50. So sentences are just a little bit longer. So this is a really easy tool to use, and then all you got to do is just copy it like this and put it wherever you want in your autoresponder, or if you want to send an email or whatever, you just copy it and stick it wherever you want. If you want to go do another one, you just click on back. If you put it in here and you don't like what it says or you want to change it, just click on clear text and it goes away. You can also filter certain words, enter any character, combination of characters, words, a combination of words that you would like to remove from the text. So anyway, this is a really simple tool and I hope it helps you. So thanks for watching.